Free traffic from tier 1 country, beginner friendly, you don't need website, you don't need any special skills, copy and paste. And you can set up this in just 5 minutes. This website got 61 million visits last month, and they are usually getting between 65 and 70 million visits every month. 96% of their visitors are coming from Canada, 1.8% from United States. So more than 98% of their visitors are coming from Canada and United States. So this website has a huge potential. And first thing you need to do, you need to create a brand new Gmail account that you are going to use only for this purpose. And you will see later why you need to do that. And first thing you need to do, you need to choose your niche. And after you choose your niche, you actually need to find product to promote. And you can use Clickbank, you can use Digital24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, or some other affiliate network to find those products and to promote them. For this example, I'm going to use Clickbank, and what I need to do is I need to scroll here and I need to click on Marketplace. And because we are talking about making money online, I'm going to scroll here and I'm going to click on e-business and e-marketing. And what you need to do, you need to go through all of these products, you need to go through their sales pages, their affiliate tools pages, you need to go on SimilarWeb, you need to go on Google Trends, you need to read reviews of these products, and then based on that, you will decide which of these products you actually wish to promote. So let's say I wish to promote this product here, Sqribble, world's #1 ebook creator. As you can see, I can make $45 per sale, gravity is good, 102, so I can actually make good money. And I'm going to open their affiliate tools page. I'm going to click here. This is their affiliate tools page. As you can see here, they will give you swipes, banners, funnels, product affiliate links. They will give you Facebook posts, Twitter posts, and so on and so on. So they will give you really good and really useful tools that you can use to promote this product. Also, as you can see here, you can actually win a Sony PlayStation 5. And when it comes to this method, these tools will actually make our job much easier. So now we actually need to promote this product, and for that we are going to use a website called Kijiji. Kijiji is Canada's largest classified ads website. Obviously, first thing you will need to do is you will need to register. Registration is free and it's simple, and after you confirm your email you will come to this page here. And what I would actually recommend is to first find ads in your category. So because this is actually about creating ebooks, so let's find something in, let's say, graphic design. So you type here graphic design. And okay, click search. And as you can see here, I search graphic design in all categories and in Calgary, Alberta. You can change this if you want. You can search this in Toronto, you can search this in Montreal, in Vancouver, Edmonton, or any other city, Canadian city if you want. And as you can see here, there is currently 35 ads in this category in Calgary, Alberta. And let me just scroll through these ads to see what people are actually posting, so I can actually decide what image I will actually add, what kind of title I will add, and so on and so on. So these are pretty much similar ads, so I need to find image that will stand out, that will be different and that will catch people's eye. So, okay. So what you need to do next is you need to post ad. You can post ad by here, clicking here, or you can simply click here, post ad in this category. And that is exactly what I usually do, post ad in this category. So now we actually need to post our ad. Here I am offering, because we are actually selling this product, you don't need to click this. Actually, you don't have to click this. We need to add title. And this is when we are actually going to use their affiliate tools page. So I will go back here and I'm going to click on swipes, for example. Let me just, okay, scroll. Let me scroll. Okay, email swipes. And I'm going to use one of these titles for their emails. So let's say Automass ebook maker. I will copy this, copy, go back here, and I will paste it here. And now we need to add a description. So again, I will go back on their affiliate tools page and I'm going to scroll here. Okay, let me find articles and I will just copy this thing here. Okay, copy, go back here, paste my description. Now you cannot add your affiliate link in description. So stay with me and you will see how we will actually promote our product with this website. Here you will need to add tags let's say graphic design for this example. Okay, graphic designer, graphic design. And you can add as much tags as you want. I will add just this one here, for example. Address, you actually need to add your address, but that doesn't have to be your real address. You can add some random address if you want. It should be in the city that you're posting, in this case, Calgary, Alberta. So I will just add some random address. Let's say something like this. And here we need to add media, we need to add photos. So again, I'm going back on the Affiliate Tools page and I'm going to find some photos. Okay, let's just go back here and let's say banners here. And it will swipe down. And here you can see different kind of banners and images that they will give you that you can download and use to promote their product. So let me just find images that I actually, okay, this image here. So all I have to do is just click here, right click, save image as, and that's it. So go back on Kijiji, click here, and find the image that we downloaded. This is the image. Click open, and that's it. Now I choose this image on purpose because it's different from the other images in this category, so it will catch people's eye, it will catch people's attention. And that is exactly what you should look when you are posting ads, not just on Kijiji, but on Craigslist and other classified ads. So you can add, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 images. And you can also add video, YouTube video, and you can add your link to your website, but if you pay $4.95. Now we don't want to do that, so I will just scroll here. Phone number is optional, and here is the email. Now I told you that you need to create a brand new Gmail account, and with that Gmail account you should register on Kijiji, and that is the email that people will use to contact you. Don't worry, you won't have to manually reply on each email that you receive. Stay with me and I will show you how to set up that. So scroll here, we are actually going to post a basic ad. You can pay for premium ads, you can pay for your ad to be pinned on top in that category, you can pay for your ad to be highlighted, but we are actually going to stick with the basic plan. And all you have to do is just click here, post ad, and that's it. You will post your ad. Sorry, I forgot to select basic plan. This is the plan. As you can see here, they are offering you some additional promote options. You don't want to do that. Just click here, post your ad, and that's it. You will post your ad on Kijiji. And when you scroll here, this is my ad, as you can see here. And when I scroll here, I'll just close this. And this here is how people will actually contact you. Every time someone sends you a message here on Kijiji, you will receive that message on your Gmail. Now, I already told you that you won't have to manually reply on every message that you receive from Kijiji. I'm going to show you how to actually set up autoresponder. What you need to do, you need to go back on your new Gmail account and you need to click here in the upper right corner on this little gear icon and then click on it and then click see all settings and then scroll down on the bottom. Okay, scroll and click here out of office auto reply. Now that is really important. You must click here and here you need to add subject, and for that we are going back on Affiliate Tools page and we are actually going to click on one of these emails. So let me just go back here, give it a second. Okay, click on swipes and it will take me to emails and I will choose one of these emails. So let's just copy this here, for example. I will copy this, go back on my Gmail, I will paste it here, and here we actually need to add our message that people will automatically receive when they send us a message on Kijiji. Again, go back on Affiliate Tools page and I will copy this. Copy this, okay? Copy, go back on Gmail and paste it here. And here where it says link, you need to add your Clickbank, Digistore 24, JVZoo, Warrior Plus or whatever link here. Your affiliate link you will add here. You will add here where it says link again. And also here you will add your affiliate link. And like I said, every time someone sends you a message on Kijiji, Gmail will automatically reply on that message with this message here that contains your affiliate link. And like I said, you can use this method not just for Kijiji, but you can use it for all the other classified ads websites. And you should use this same Gmail account to promote this same product for all of those classified ads websites. And every time someone sends you a message, Gmail will automatically reply with this message here to all of the messages that you receive from all of the classified ads websites. And the more ads you post on the more classified ads websites you post, the more people will receive this message and more people will buy this product. And that is how you will drive free traffic to your Clickbank affiliate offers, to your affiliate offers at all. What I didn't mention is that this method is actually best for flipping. And that means you go and buy something for lower price and then you sell it for higher price. For example, you go on Facebook Marketplace and buy, let's say, smartphone for $100. And then you go back on this website and you sell it for $130. So you made $30 profit, totally free. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.